In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dimension style in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting in the world of design, mastering the basics like dimension styles can greatly enhance the clarity and precision of your work. Let's start by focusing on the command line, which is a powerful tool in AutoCAD. Begin by typing DIMSTYLE right there in the command line and pressing Enter. This command is crucial as it opens the door to all your dimension style settings. Now, you might wonder what dimension styles are about. Simply put, they're the templates or standards that your dimensional representations will follow, ensuring consistency across your drawing. Once you've initiated the DIMSTYLE command, you'll see a dialog box presenting various dimension styles. Here you have a choice. You can either select an existing style from the list or opt to create a new one that fits your project's needs. If you're working within an established framework or following specific guidelines, choosing an existing style might be the most efficient option. However, if you're aiming for customization, creating a new dimension style will allow you to tailor the settings to your unique requirements. When you've settled on your selection, go ahead and set it as the current style by pressing Set Current. This ensures that all new dimensions you create will adhere to your chosen style. Now, what if you want to apply this newly chosen or created dimension style to dimensions that already exist within your drawing? This is a common task, and luckily, AutoCAD makes it straightforward. Begin by selecting the existing dimension lines you wish to update. It's as simple as clicking on them and you'll see them highlighted, indicating they're ready for modification. Next, direct your attention to the Annotate tab at the top. The Annotate tab is your go-to place for all things related to annotation and dimensioning in AutoCAD. Once there, locate the drop-down menu specifically for dimensions. This menu controls which dimension style is in effect for the selected dimensions. Clicking this drop-down will reveal the list of available dimension styles, including the one you've just set as current. Select it from the list, and AutoCAD will instantly apply the style to your selected dimensions, bringing everything into alignment with your latest preferences. To wrap it up, you've successfully changed the dimension style in AutoCAD, both for new and existing dimensions. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures any dimensions you produce are instantly in the style you need, eliminating future discrepancies and making your designs more cohesive and professional. Armed with this knowledge, you're now equipped to take on more sophisticated projects with confidence. Happy drafting!